Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to make your PlayStation 3 look really cool with custom themes. So I think maybe a couple of days ago I made a video and I had this PS2 theme in the background. So I got quite a lot of questions, people asking me how I managed to get this PlayStation 2 theme. So I will be showing you guys how to get that in this video. So all you need is a USB, so make sure you take out your PlayStation 3's USB, go and connect it to your computer, and I will show you guys what to do next. So once you're on your computer, I will leave a link in the description to ps3themes.com, and basically this is one of the best websites I could find for the PlayStation 3 themes. So there's so many on here. It also has a search option. If you wish to have the PlayStation 2 theme that you guys seem to like, you just type in PS2 and just click on go, and you will be able to find it on here. So I think there's a couple of them on here, maybe a few different ones. This is the one that I got, the PlayStation 2 animated theme. So once you select your theme, all you have to do is just click on download here, and then it will download the file that we need. So you can pretty much get as many themes as you like. I'm going to find some I like on the website, download them, and then I will show you how to copy them across. So I'm just going to get this Windows 90. Is this Windows 98? I think it's Windows 95 and 98. So I'm going to get this one as well, and then I will show you what to do once you've downloaded all of your themes. So once you've got all of the themes that you like from the website, and you can pretty much get them from any website you want really, this is just the one I found to be most useful. You guys want to head over to your downloads folder and just find them all in here. So they should have this extension at the end, .p3t. If you can't see that, it's because you don't have extensions enabled. But what we have to do, select all of these and basically go onto our USB, go into the PS3 folder, and you should find a theme folder in here. If you don't have the PS3 folder or the theme folder, you need to create one. So just right click, new folder, call it theme, all capitals just like that, and this is where you will put your themes into. So I'm just going to select all of these again, go into the PS3 folder and just drop them into the theme folder like that. So once they're copied across, let's go back onto our PS3. I will show you guys how to install them and how to apply them. So once we are back over on our PlayStation, we need to scroll over and we need to go to the settings option. From here we need to scroll down and press X to open up theme settings. Next we need to go to theme and press on X, go up to where it says install and then press X on this. Now go to your USB device and press X for enter. It's going to scan it and it's going to find all of the themes you have. So here's my PlayStation 2 one, which I've already installed, and basically if you want to install a theme, all you have to do is go onto it and just press X to install. And then if you go onto themes, you can see I've now got Windows 98. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through the whole list and I'm just going to install all of them on here. It might take a while because you have to just do it each time, but yeah, this is pretty much how you do it. So let's just install all of these, and then I will pretty much do a showcase of what they will look like once I've got them all installed. Okay, so there you go, that is all my themes installed. So let's just have a look at some of them. I've got a Sword Art Online one, and basically if you want to apply it, all you do is press X on it and then press X on apply. You'll have to wait a few seconds, and there you go, it will apply the theme to your PlayStation. And as you can see, this one is looking really cool. So let's see what other themes we've got. I also got a Nintendo Switch one, so let's take a look at this. And there you go, that is what that one looks like. And yeah, I really like them. They really make your PlayStation 3 just look a lot cooler. Let's try Fortnite as well. And yeah, there you go. That is how you get custom themes over on your PlayStation 3. I really like them. Most of them look really good. And yeah, they're pretty cool. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.